Bhagavan decided that he has to show a path to himself. Who else will show? And so Bhagavan decided the road map for my home, I have to only tell now. So he gave a lovely road map. He created a road, proper path, lighted path. And then first choice, he gave a lovely vehicle. What Vandi was it? Na? It was a Vandi called Karma Car. And the Karma Car can actually take us to Bhagavan. The Karma Car was actually fire powered. Unfortunately, in Kali Yuga, we don't have the fuel to feed the fire which take the Karma vehicle right to Bhagavan. Then the next Bhagavan thought, chalo, if that doesn't work, I will send you a wind powered. And that vehicle was called Yoga Car. And yoga is powered by pranayam. So it is wind power. But on the entry criteria is already headache. Yamam niyamam the first form. If you don't qualify, they won't enter, make you enter into the car. And second, they said, when you sit in the car, proper. If you don't regulate your breath in the car won't move. And so they said, too many rules inside. You can sit here, you can't sit there. You have to sit like that. And then they said, while going in the car, there will be wonderful scenery both sides. The moment gone, you will be thrown out of a running car. So that is also out. And then Bhagavan said, okay, I will give you another vehicle, very difficult for you to catch. So there is a jnana, another lovely vehicle. Bhagavan sent it, jnana margam. And how is this powered? It is powered by the subtle mind power. You see, when the mind becomes subtler and subtler, this car is powered. It goes faster and faster. But then only one problem. Generally, when we go in a flight, etc., we look for the menu card. And there will also be a little air conditioning. In the car, no menu card, no air conditioning. You have to sweat your way through the whole journey. No water, no meals, no air conditioning. Are you ready to come in this car? So here he is saying, with this lovely food and very comfortable life, when we are nourishing all our indriyas, how can jnana vichara happen to you? So even the jnana vehicle, another lovely vehicle, subtle mind-powered vehicle, we have to miss it because we are not fit for it, most of us. Then our Swamiji says, all these vehicles should start from a depot. Depot, bus terminus, taxi stand. The depot itself is not to be found. He says that depot is called Dharma Depot. The Samanya Dharma Depot or the Samanya Dharma terminus itself is missing. So where will you catch a vehicle from there?